Ahem. Well, hello, friends. For those of you who maybe have not been able to be around during the live streams or don't want to sit through an hour, 2 hour live stream, what else is there to say besides we are squeezing as much out of this market as possible? I guess this is where I go back and say everything we've done. We actually trade with 2 accounts. If you're not using 2 accounts, you are not efficiently trading the market. We've been in the long for the long term, and then we've been scalping short and longs. This little down wick right here down to 7,900, we got that. These pumps coming up, we're in that. Oh, but where's the proof? Oh, okay, well, it's right here. Okay, we entered short at 79.58, and then it went down to 7,900. Bang, yeehaw, everyone's happy. Oh, wait, you want more proof? Oh, yeah, we have profit logs. The profit logs are coming from all of our members, and it's just, it doesn't get any better than this, folks. We are in a powerful window, and we are pumping as we speak. We are going through what I believe in this moment is to be a breakout, whether it's for a couple hundred, whether it's eventually $2,000 breakout to 10, 11,000, 2 weeks from now, which is sort of kind of what I'm leaning towards. Let me show you why if you haven't been around. Give you a quick couple snapshots. We know that Bitcoin loves repeating itself. This is something that I have pioneered in crypto specifically. It will pick a formation, a pattern, and then repeat it and repeat it and repeat it. Here before we had the pump, we had 1, 2, see ya, went up like a 50-60% move. And I believe that we are basically seeing the same pattern. 1, 2, see ya. And this would put us later in June if we were to reach 10, 11, 12,000. Folks, we have broken a nice triangle. We broke out of it, chilled for a little bit, came back down. Now we're back in this channel, ready to fire up again, and this time it's going to be major. Every day we should be closing at a higher rate, closing higher, closing higher, closing higher. If you do not own Market Cipher, the greatest indicator, not only in crypto, but I cannot find, I have never used an indicator better than this one. It is truly amazing, and we are turning hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people, many of them brand spanking new, into traders that are most likely better than you. Don't believe me? Ask one of them. Now, okay, so we have been bullish on the daily. Why? Because on our momentum algorithm, the white's cutting into the blue. This signifies that we are at a bottom, and this momentum should be coming back up. Now, yes, that is bullish overall, but that doesn't mean that we are not seeing upwards and downwards movement in between. So we've been trading every single move you see here, every single one. Short, long, short, long, short, long. We have logged, we have traded, and we have nailed each and every single one. And the proof is out there. If I was lying, there would be 700 whale members that would be saying CryptoFace is a fraud. If Market Cipher wasn't working, there would be 200 people saying it's a fraud. They're not. Out of the 650 or 700 people on the whale crew since its day, God, it's the 6 month. Whale Crew has been going on for 7 months now. It started in January. You know, in 7 months, I've only had to ban about 6 people. So there's 6 or 7 people out there that are screaming in agony and want CryptoFace to burn, but it's their own fault. So make sure you are cool, nice to everyone, and you follow the rules. I have set up a couple YouTubers. I'm adding like 1 or 2 more every day, adding them Market Cipher, going over 10-15 minute. I'm just saying, I'm not explaining everything to them. I just say, listen, I just want you to do the blue wave strategy. Here's how it is, yada, yada, yada. Run with that for a week. Get back to me. It's fun looking at all the graphic design entries you guys have been showing and posting. It's entertaining. Although I do believe we do have a winner. I sneak peek showed a couple of you guys on the live stream. I will be bringing that out. But no matter what anybody else tells you, if you really want a YouTube channel where we actually talk about trading and I show you my trades and I show you what is going to happen next, this is the place, and there is no other. Just go back through the live streams. You hear me say, hey, yo, I'm entering here. I showed my trades. I was showing you guys my trades today, yesterday, the day before. You guys see my position sizes. Right now, I got 370,000 long. Closed my short. As soon as it spiked down, we've been attentive. Market Cipher has been banging. If you are again new to Market Cipher and you are too lazy, you better not be, but if you've been too lazy, what's the strategy? When you see this blue wave come down below here, boom, there's one, then boom, there's one that's lower, or in this case, a higher low. As soon as the white cuts in, that's your signal to long. You longed right here, bang, sayonara. Boom, with this blue wave, we have the first hump right here, second one, boom, you'd enter right there, boom, sayonara. You'd exit that short, boom, right here, that's the signal for the bottom, boom, you'd exit down here, enter in somewhere in this candle, boom, sayonara. You gotta have 2 accounts though. If you're only gonna have 1 account, then you have to pick which way you're gonna go. Are you gonna swing trade or are you gonna scalp? You're better off just opening up 2 accounts, because you do not have to fight your greed of wanting that long-term play to 10,000, but wanting the short-term gains. Just make 2 accounts for Pete's sake. Buy another monitor so you have 2 monitors, or get a laptop. As we are speaking, we are pushing and pushing and pushing. This is going to break, and it's going to break up. And if it doesn't, if it just breaks down, it's going to break down a little bit, and then it's going to come back up. So you are seeing the real-time action. It is coming. And if the trend is your friend, who has been nailing the trades in the trenches with you guys these past, not even just 7 months, but years. I've been here for years with my people. My people. Boy, does time fly when you're making these gains, huh? Time flies when we are murdering the game. This has been a high confident channel window. When we were up here, wasn't too super, well, it was a little bit, but this was our last, this triangle, I believe, was the last high confident window. If you go back to our videos, right, we were super confident in this triangle that this was the bottom one. Bam, 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 boom. And we nailed the breakout to 8,800 specifically for those of you that remember. I called when we were down here. I said we're going to break out to 8,800. We're going to see a 10% move. Boom, right on target, bullseye. I don't call on targets all the time. You guys know how I feel about targets. I don't need targets. All I need is the data. I can give you a guess of where I think it's going to go, but when my data tells me it's over, it's the top, that's when I'll say, okay, boom, this is it, or it's got room to go. So we got some farm longs. We got the farm on the long-term long. And we've had some pretty big scalp trades too. The profit logs are public. You all can go into the Discord, click profit logs, and see what everyone's doing. See what everyone's making. See what they say. You can read the testimonials. People paying off their credit cards. People have been trading for years and years and going through crypto in years and losing and losing and losing, and now they're winning and winning and winning. As we speak, we're breaking out. Literally, as I'm speaking, we are breaking out, developing thick candles, pushing up more and more and more. The hatch is gonna break. We are gonna be spitting volcano of crypto coming out, and those people that are short are gonna be getting wrecked. And even in these high confident trades, do not over leverage, because there will be drawbacks. Don't be pushing 50x something stupid. Our market cipher chat is kicking ass. Even though there's so much action with Bitcoin, there's action everywhere. There is infinite possibilities with market cipher. The income from trades that someone is able to get out of market cipher is literally infinite. You okay, puppy? You alright? Alright. Infinite. So speaking of infinite, what do you guys think about this logo for market cipher? Market cipher plus infinite potential plus some market shit. I like it. I like it. Don't pay attention to the spelling errors. This is just imagery here. But in the comments, I love this button right here. I just want to see this on my phone. I just want to put my thumb on it. I really want to put my thumb is on the monitor right now. Looks so great. Looks so fun to press. So other than that, I'll probably see you guys in a live stream. Let's keep racking the gains. If you are not a part of our community, tell your friends, tell your wife, tell your kids. This channel is not getting smaller. We're only getting bigger. There is no other channel that trades like we do. There's other channels that talk about all kinds of TA bullshit and all kinds of shit and engulfing candles and engulfing manholes. So join me. That's all you need. Bend the knee. I am kind. And I am a good king. Because my people eat. And they are eating very well. They are getting very fat with bags. And now is the time where you want to boost up your crypto. Because things are going to be getting pretty insane.